Hi, I'm going to be calculating a monthly payment using the Excel payment function. I'm going to calculate an annual payment and a monthly payment so that we can compare them. So let's begin by populating our table. We're going to be borrowing $10,000 for 5 years at a 6% annual interest rate. And in the first column, it's going to compound annually. In the second, the frequency of compounding is going to be monthly. So let's populate the table. 6% is the interest rate, the number of periods in the loan, 5 years, and the payment we're going to calculate, but the present value is the loan amount, so that's going to be a negative $10,000. It looks a little different this time than how we've done it, and I'll explain that in a minute. So a monthly interest rate is going to equal our 6% annual divided by 12 months in every year. The number of periods in the loan is going to equal the 5 years times 12 months in every year. And our present value is going to be a lump sum original amount, so it will not change from annual to month. All right. So you notice I've never used negative present value. We've always negated it in the function. Here we're negating it as an input, so we don't have to negate it in the function. Just one of the many ways you can use the function. So I'm in cell B11, and I'm going to go up to Insert Function, and I'm going to grab the payment function. Now I'm going to grab all the arguments, in other words, the components. So the rate is in cell B4, the number of periods in cell B5, and the present value in B7. And now we can just press Enter. And there's our annual payment. Now let's make the monthly payment. Just to change it up, I'm going to enter it manually. Equals PMT, sorry about that. All right, so the first argument is the rate. So I'm going to click on the rate, hit the comma. Now N per is highlighted, so I'm going to click on that cell, comma. And now PV, and it's already expressed as a negative. All I have to do is click in that cell and hit Enter. So our monthly payment is $193.33. So just for comparison, let's see what that amounts to over the time of a year. So equals 193 times 12 months in a year. So you notice that when it's an annual payment, it's $2,373.96. When it's a series of monthly payments, it comes out to less than a year, $2,319.94. And that's because every month you're already reducing the principal, and the interest is calculated on the remaining principal balance. So that's why when you make monthly payments, you retire the principal sooner and pay less over the period of a year.